If you're into DIY crafts, party decorating, or making tutus, this bundle is just something that really gives you a lot of value. This set comes with 14 different colors, so instead of buying individual rolls, you've got pretty much every color you'll need for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, holidays, school projects, basically you name it and you've got it right here. Each roll is 6 inches wide and 25 yards long. So you're getting a total of 350 yards of tulle. That's enough material for multiple projects. I also really like the quality. It's made from soft polyester tulle that's easy to work with, and it holds its shape really well, but it's still flexible enough for making bows, tutu skirts, wreaths, chair decorations, gift wrapping, or balloon displays, perhaps. The colors are bright and vibrant, and if you could see them in person, they just really pop. And they look great layered together if you're creating rainbow-themed decorations or custom color combinations. Now, what makes this set stand out is the convenience. Instead of realizing halfway through a project that you're missing a color, everything is already included, so you're basically good to go. So if you enjoy crafting or you're planning an event, I think this is great. This is a great value because you get plenty of material, lots of color options, and it's versatile enough for just about any DIY project. So I highly recommend grabbing this 14 color tulle roll, and I want to thank the brand for sending this over.